Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Arizi Izzuan bin Muhammad Amzar and my number matric is 11DKM 21F1048 and my member group are Muhammad Fakrul, Muhammad Amri and Lim Yashin. Introduction. A rice flour mill is one of the flour making tools that works to make fine flour from rice raw materials. In addition to being able to grind rice, this flour machine can also call other products. The products that can be ground include corn, rye, cassava, fish, and soya bean. The number of sellers of rice flour grinder makes the price of electric rice flour machine available in the market very attractive. Trust your rice flour mill to a flour making machine manufacturer that provide a money back guarantee and is experience. Okay, next is objective. First, sustainable sourcing. The primary objective is to establish a sustainable supply chain for raw material. Next, advanced technology integration. Implementing cutting-edge milling technology is a key objective to enhance efficiency and product quality. The last one is market accessibility and education. The mile seeks to increase consumer awareness and accessibility to rice flour production.
Problem statement: the inefficiency and time consumptions. The traditional flour grinders are often operate at a slower pace than the modern one. So, for the number 2 was labor intensiveness. Many traditional flour grinding rely heavily on manual labors, requiring a significant physical effort for grinding the grains. For the number 3 was inconsistency quality. The traditional grinding method may result in variations in flour texture and quality. Next, they have energy inefficiency. Some traditional flour or grinders utilize the energy source that are not environment aligned or sustainability. Next, they have a limited adaptability to grain diverse grains. The traditional flour grinders may be optimized for specific types of grains, making it challenging to process a diverse range of grain efficiently. Last but not least, they have hygiene and food safety concern. A traditional flour grinding process may raise concern related to hygiene and food safety. Next, for SPP method. For the evidence, there was a picture for the evidence from the traditional flour grinder. Then the effect was they have a bacteria from the product or the quality of the product. Then it also take much time to grind the flour, and then it's using a much force to grind the flour. So, flour grinder, the factor, they have 3 factors: was quality product, energy, and time. From quality product, they have a shape blade and the covers. For energy, was not using a human energy or force energy. Then for time, they have a speed motor and double blade to reduce the time to grind the flour.
Good afternoon, lecturer. My name is Lim Jia-Chen and my number is 11DKM 21F1044. So I will present a slide about the tool and equipment for this prototype. For the first, we use the metal cutter disc 5S. The second is carton box. Third is one set of pulley. But this pulley, the bearing we are using the handmade bearing. Number 4 is Johnson electric engine DC 18-watt motor. Number 5 is Swiss on off. Number 6 is bearing, and the last is jumper wire. So the tools for using for this prototype, that is hot glue gun, hot glue stick, super glue, cutter knife, plastic, steel ruler, pen, and the last is compasses. Thank you. Next slide, that is the development of prototype and procedure. So for this slide, I just talk about the point of procedure for all the steps. So the first, measure with a compass and cut out a circular shape of paper. So the next step is fix the cut circular paper sheet with strong glue and install the bearing in them. The third step is cut out a piece of paper 38 cm long and 10 cm wide, and then cut line on the paper to make the paper more curved. So number 4 is put a complete bearing and metal cutter disc into the paper grinder and finally cover it and fix it with the bearing and the paper. Number 5, cut out the piece of paper 29 cm long and 8 cm wide, and then cut four M-shaped paper pieces to fix it. It is best to fix the two M-shaped paper sheet and paper sheet together. The number 6 is to make a funnel. Cut a piece of paper 26 cm and 7 cm wide, then draw a triangular shape on the paper and cut it. And finally, fix the triangular paper with strong glue. The number 7 is fix grinder and bracket on the paper, then fix the paper funnel on the cut grinder. Then make a paper outlet and install it in another hole of the grinder. So, and the last step is install the motor and electronic component. Before doing this, secure the motor with paper to prevent it from moving. Then install the pulley between the grinder and the motor. And then install the belt between the paper bearing. Finally, install the electronic on the motor. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Amdul Mazlan and my matrix number is 11 DKM 21F106, and today I will presenting about discussion for the grain grinder. In this discussion, we'll address the common issue encountered with a grain grinder that provide potential solution and for each problem. It is essential for troubleshoot effectively to ensure the optimal performance of the grinder and maintain the quality of the grain. Problems 1. Efficiency grinding performance. Possible cause is improper alignment of grinding components, insufficient motor power for the intended workload, and inadequate adjustment for grinding settings. Solution for this problem is conduct a throughout inspection to ensure all grinder components are aligned correctly, and regularly calibrate and adjust the grinder setting to match the desired grain output. Second is safety concept during operation. Possible cause is lack of safety feature in the grinding design, and poorly designed or malfunctioning safety guards. Solution is integrate safety feature as a emergency stop button and automatic shut-off mechanism. Problem number 3 is excessive heat generation. Possible cause because overloading the grinder with excessive grain volume, friction due to misaligned or worn out components. Solution for this problem is enhanced cooling mechanisms such as incorporating fans or cooling fins at higher to recommend grain capacity to prevent overloading, and regularly lubricate and inspect component to reduce friction and heat generation. Next problem is electrical or control system failure. Possible cause is faulty wiring or connections, incapability or malfunctioning control system. Solution for this problem is conduct a comprehensive check of wiring and connection, or ensure compatibility and proper functioning of control system. For the last one is grain jamming in the grinder. Possible cause is moisture in the grain causing clumping. Grinder setting to find to certain type of grain. Solution is ensure grain are dry before grinding to prevent clumping. Adjust grinding setting to a coarser setting for grind prone to jamming. Next is conclusion. For troubleshooting process for the grinder project has uncovered critical insight into its functionality and potential challenge. Systematically addressing this issue is pivotal for ensuring the consistent and efficient performance of the equipment. Key to reliable operation is the identification and resolution of power supply and motor issue, which serve as the cornerstone for success. A stable power sources and a well-functioning motor are essential elements in ensuring the grain grinder effectiveness. Simultaneously, effort to investigate and rectify problems within the grinding mechanism play a vital role in enhancing the overall quality and consistency of the ground product, mitigating the risk of uneven grinding or operational noise. Furthermore, adjustment in calibration and maintenance practice have been made following the examination of the ground product quality. Emphasizing regular monitoring and adherence to maintenance schedules is paramount to guaranteeing the consistency and excellence of the final grain product.
Don't ask why